unfold. Subscribe and follow to watch the exciting adventure of Lightning McQueen and the Mac Hauler truck. The colorful trucks are sleeping peacefully at the rest stop. They look so adorable, don't they? The lightning car is speeding fast and spinning in circles. I'm getting so dizzy. Wait a second. The red car is noticing the trucks. Oh no! The red car is stealing the small car from the truck's cargo! This is not good! The small cars can't escape! They're being dragged away!
Help! Help me! Help! Oh no! Help me! Go, 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 go!
The police arrived too late! All the cars had already been stolen!
What is wrong with them?
The trucks are still fast asleep, completely unaware of what just happened! Wake up! Hurry!
Let's
We
go!
need to rescue the cars!
Go, go! Hurry! Hurry!
The red car is dragging the stolen cars to a shallow, foot-shaped pond! It's pushing them in one by one! How mean!
Ouch!
Oh no!
Help! Help me! Help! Hey, stop! Ow! Oh no!
The red car pushed all the cars into the pond and then sped away with the yellow car!
Help me! Help!
Thank goodness! The police have arrived! Hurry up and rescue the cars!
Oh no!
What is going on?
Hey you, I need your help.
Here we go!
The crane truck is here!
Don't worry, I help you.
The pulley is lowering to hook up the cars and lift them out! Lift off! Amazing! All the cars have been successfully rescued!
Hey, thank you!
What is going on?
The red car realized its mistake and apologized to the other cars.
Sorry.
And that's
Sorry.
the end of our story. Bye-bye.